In this CapCut tutorial, I'll show you how to create a structured opening where vertical blocks slide into place and reveal your video in a clean and rhythmic way. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the reveal feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the Animation options. Now switch to the In tab, which controls how the video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find organ pipes, then tap on it. Once applied, you'll see tall vertical blocks moving across the screen, revealing the video in a synchronized and organized pattern. Remember, in CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control the speed of the vertical blocks. Dragging it to the left creates a faster and more energetic reveal, while dragging it to the right slows things down for a smoother and more cinematic effect. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the movement feels balanced with your content. And that's it. You've successfully added a vertical block reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile tutorials.